adding using Canva to add a thumbnail to videos. So we're going to just name this here, lunge stretch to stretch your hip flexors. And that's it. We're going to just click download here. Going to download as a JPEG. It's going to come up on the computer. Just make sure we click it. Sometimes, there we go. Now we downloaded it. Okay, perfect. Came up on the computer. We're going to actually add it to this video here. Here's the thumbnail. We're going to just click it. Let's go back to this. So we can go to our computer, or we can click it and drag it and drop it in here from a thumbnail. Now you can see lunge stretch to stretch your hip flexors. And we're going to hit save. Now if we want to go to another video, let's say fitness model workout, we're going to change this. Alright, so we adjusted that. Make adjustment to this. And then readjust it. There we go. So it was just a little glitch. So we got that, so that's good. So notice we probably have our image here, so we want to just search Rooney, find here. So here we go. Let's just go to images. Here's a good image of her. Let's find something good. Let's use this. So we're going to just save image as. There we go. Hit save. Come back into Canva. We're going to drag it and drop it in here. And we're going to just pull this over here into our template. So that's good. So that's good. Let's drag this over a little bit. Make adjustments. So that's that. Fitness model. Okay, Felicia. So everything looks good here. We're going to hit download again. Hit the JPEG. Hit download. Preparing. It's going to come into our documents on our computer. Continue editing. So now we're going to take this. Go into our YouTube video here. Go into thumbnails. We're going to click this. Obviously that's going to move that over. So let's click this. Drag it into YouTube here. Drop it there. Hit save. And that's how you create Canva thumbnails for YouTube videos. And that's it. Actually, we pull this over a little bit more. Like so. We want to have that line. That's good. Notice here we just have to bring this one to front. And that will solve that. Like so. And that's it. And that's how we do Canva fonts. On to our next one. And that's it.